Z-Tronix is an ISO-certified, family-owned manufacturer, proudly made in the USA. We are continually motivated through all of our achievements as a family, as a team, and as a company. My father, Z Mahfoub, founded his wire harness manufacturing company in 1986, and later founded Z-Tronix with his brother in 1997. In 2009, my brother and I joined the company, further transitioning the business to another generation. We are proud of our employees and their families because they truly are the foundation of Z-Tronix.
Z-Tronix is like a very united family. We had employees working for us for over 30 years, and we have multi-generational families working here at the same time.
Teamwork and continuous improvement are vital to our success. High employee morale is crucial to the success of the company. We are a zero-defect facility because when we care about our employees, they care about the terms of the company.
We believe the way we treat our employees will translate into better customer service and better relationships because we have a dedicated team willing to go above and beyond. Z-Tronix is different and unique because we enjoy what we do and it's that simple. There are three synergistic divisions of Z-Tronix. The first is where we distribute wire, cable, and wire harness raw materials. The second is where we manufacture wire harness, cable assemblies, and box build assemblies. And the third is where we manufacture custom, North American, and international power cords. There are three primary benefits in working with a distributor and manufacturer such as Z-Tronix. The first is lower cost. Our raw materials are lower because we buy direct from the manufacturer. The second is higher product knowledge because we are always informed of obsoleted parts and innovative new products before they hit the market. And third is our information moves at lightning speed.
Our product knowledge and the relationship we built over 30 years in the electronics industry help us to go faster, and we can even build products based on a sample alone.
Our headquarters in Paramount, California is bilingual in both English and Spanish, which helps minimize communication issues. My father always believed in taking care of the customer. Doesn't matter how big or small, all our customers are number one.
Our customers are our number one priority, and we make it a point every day to provide the best service in the industry. We have been known to take UPS or FedEx boxes to the physical store locations even after hours to meet customer requirements.
Our unique production system is extremely flexible. We can ship quickly to meet any demand. We build harnesses quicker and faster than anyone else with 100% quality every time.
Our goal is to make engineers and buyers' lives easy through our enhanced ERP virtual inventory management system, which helps us notify our customers when they're out or when they need to reorder to help avoid shortages and delays.
We offer inventory management and stocking program for customer concern with keeping their inventory levels minimal on their shop floor. We can even ship products in 1 hour if customer really need it.
You name it, we do it. Our quality and results are our brand. We are problem solvers, manufacturing custom solutions for your wiring needs. All you have to do is answer, what can we do for you?